All right, so in this video, we're going to be going to the Stone Barn Pizza place in Nelson, Wisconsin.
Yes.
So it's about an hour and a half, 2 hours from our place.
Yes. They specialize in wood-fired thin crust pizzas, and we are going to get one regular pizza and one gluten-free pizza. So
Yeah.
we're going to take a little road trip now, and we'll see you in a little bit.
It's going to be magical.
We were thinking that we were here early, and there's so many people here already.
This right here, what's left, might need a refill in a moment. This is the Malbec from Argentina. It's quite good. Usually I find that if they don't have a decent option for European wine, which I typically go for, Argentina is my next best choice.
They were out of the Italian.
Yeah, it was like a
red.
Montepulciano. It was like a D'Abruzzo sort of.
Yeah.
That we've had before, and I knew or recognized that one. It was like Poggio or something like that. But they ran out of that, so instead of California, Argentina.
The gluten-free Greek. And it's got like lamb and feta and olives and artichoke and onions, and it's really, really good. The crust is so good. I told Brian try a piece because it doesn't even taste like gluten-free crust. It was really good.
It was really good.
And I like the toppings, and if you are a little sensitive to dairy, I think this is good.
The feta cheese is good for your tummy.
So, and the lamb, I told Brian, is probably the best lamb I've ever had.
And you don't like lamb.
I'm not a huge, I mean, I like your lamb chops.
Yeah.
I do like your lamb chops.
I've been working hard on converting you to lamb for like 31 years, for sure. Conversion to lamb has taken a long time, but
this is a
finally.
Local, yeah, this is a local farm. I don't remember the name of it.
And it's, you know, it's ground lamb and it's seasoned, but it
really well.
Tasted really good. I had a little slice. And like you said, the crust is good.
Yeah.
It gets a little crispy on the edge, but I don't mind that.
Yeah, but the inside is not.
Perfect. Yeah.
It's perfect. So, yeah, very good. I would highly recommend it.
Awesome. It's really delicious. Like, it's got a lot of toppings, but everything is fresh. Like the green peppers, the green olives, the black olives, pepperonis. I mean, it's not super greasy or anything like that. I really like it. I mean, and like even the sauce, just really fresh tasting.
Yeah,
so it's
you were
really
saying
good.
the sauce was super good. And how's your brandy old fashioned?
I normally prefer a bourbon old fashioned.
But we're in Wisconsin.
It's Wisconsin, so you have to try the brandy, and it's good. Yeah.
Is it sweet?
It is sweet. I did the sweet version.
Fun.
So now, because we are aspiring Italians, what is your rating for the gluten-free crust pizza?
10 of the 10.
10 of the 10?
10 of the 10.
You hear that, Alessio? 10 of the 10. Gluten-free pizza crust? What? Are you serious?
This was also very, very good. This is a little more doughy, which Brian likes doughy. This is a little more crunchy and crispy. They're both excellent.
It was perfectly matched to our personalities and likes.
Right.
And you can see that I have a little bit of a process that I do. I start on the edge and go all the way around. And then we work on the middle But I will say the other thing that I was telling Rachel is that the olives, they're not salty. And usually when you get like something like this, you're in danger of full on like salt. And these were very good, so highly recommend.
So this big white barn, actually I think is for weddings. And now we're gonna go into this cute little gift shop that they have. I think that might be new too. And we noticed around 4, the line kind of diminished, and it's 4:30 right now. So I think right probably before 5, between 4 and 5 is a good time to come. They have goats too, at least they have one. I don't know where the other ones are. Where are your friends? So, what are your thoughts?
10 of the 10.
10 out of 10.
It's really good. I mean, the pizza is really high. I would say it's high quality pizza.
Yeah.
It's thin crust pizza. All the toppings were fresh, and none of them were gross or weird or
No, not
salty.
greasy.
No,
You said.
not greasy.
Yeah.
And it's just a fun destination.
Yeah,
I mean, it's out in the
super
middle
fun.
of nowhere, but apparently everybody loves it because there's a ton of people here, and
Yeah.
they're going to do like a bourbon tasting in a
Yeah.
little while. So
Yeah.
it's a really fun.
Yeah.
It's a fun day trip.
Yeah. It's really fun. They have like a little playground area. They have trails. They have goats. I mean, it's a great place to bring kids, even for adults too. But it's just if you have a nice day. And Friday nights, they have music usually, which would be really fun.
Oh,
Did you know that?
Yeah. You told me.
Okay. So I just think, and the gift shop is super cute. So we definitely have to make a trip every year. We were just saying we should come back in a couple weeks because
Yeah.
the leaves will all change color and like you're kind of in the valley. So it's really,
And
really nice.
We got 2 pizzas. Last time we joked because we got
Yeah.
multiple pizzas because we're like, it's like punch pizza. We thought
Right.
that
No.
these are big pizzas.
You thought that. I did not think that last time.
Okay. So, all right.
I have video to prove it.
That's fine. Makes sense. However, all I'm trying to say is that if you bring somebody with, you'll have a better chance of actually eating the whole pizza.
Right.
Because it's not a one-person pizza.
No.
And the prices are clearly, I mean, it's
Right.
about $25 to $30 per
Yeah.
pizza. It's not punch. So,
It's not individual
one or
size.
2, or bring it, come with a group of people.
Right.
Like you said with the kids.
Right.
They'd love
Right.
it.
Like probably 3 people could finish one pizza easily, depending on appetites. So, yeah. But we've got 2 because we wanted to try some different things and can bring it home, and hopefully the kids will come over tomorrow and taste some of the pizza. Or we can have it. We can have leftovers too. So anyways, it was really good. We highly recommend it. Super fun day trip.
Yeah.
They're open from mid-May to mid-October. So if you want to go, you've just got a few weeks.
Yeah, you've got a short window.
Yes. So we wanted to make this video and put it out there so you have the opportunity to go. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.